In the ever evolving world of business software, where monolithic giants dominate the landscape, a unique player emerged. Born from open source roots, Odoo has carved its path, challenging the status quo and offering a refreshing alternative. This is the story of Odoo, a journey of innovation, evolution, and a relentless pursuit of all in one business solutions. Unlike traditional enterprise resource planning systems, known for their complexity and high costs, Odoo embraced a different philosophy. It aimed to be an all in one platform encompassing not just core business functions like accounting and inventory, but also venturing into e commerce, CRM, project management, and even marketing. This ambitious vision set it apart from competitors who often focused on specialized, solid solutions.
We are fulfilling our dream to make digitalization accessible to everyone.
From its humble beginnings as Open ERP, Odoo has undergone a remarkable evolution. Through years of continuous development and a strong focus on user experience, it has transformed into a sophisticated and user friendly platform. Today, Odoo boasts a thriving ecosystem of apps developed by both the core team and a vibrant community, expanding its capabilities and catering to a wide range of business needs.
I've not seen any other tool as simple and as user friendly as Uno.
Behind every successful business, there's a tool that powers its growth. For millions of companies worldwide, that tool is Odoo, an open source ERP software revolutionizing the way businesses operate. But how did Odoo rise from humble beginnings to global dominance? Let's take a closer look at its journey.
Are you ready?
Our story begins in 2002 in Belgium. A team of ambitious entrepreneurs, including the visionary Fabien Pinkers, set out to create an ERP system that was both simple and powerful. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, was dominated by complex and expensive solutions at the time. An open source platform, Tiny ERP emerged as a solution for small businesses seeking accessible and affordable ERP tools. Tiny ERP provided basic functionalities like accounting, inventory, and sales management, and it gained traction quickly thanks to its flexibility and low cost. In 2009, as the software matured and its user base grew, Tiny ERP was rebranded to Open ERP to reflect the platform's expanded capabilities and open source philosophy. OpenERP wasn't just a tool for small businesses anymore. With modules for CRM, HR, and manufacturing, it began catering to medium and large enterprises. This growth was fueled by a dedicated community of developers and contributors around the world. In 2014, Fabien Pinkers and the team at OpenERP undertook its most significant transformation. To reflect its evolution into a complete suite of business applications, the platform was rebranded as Odoo.
And in Odoo 18, AI will help our users avoid making mistakes.
Evaluating a ERP solution is not just about its feature, it's about the extensibility, maintainability, flexibility, and efficiency in the development. Here's why I chose Odoo. Odoo is an open source ERP system where it's really easy to customize the code and deploy it in the server.
The name symbolized simplicity, modularity, and endless possibilities. A perfect fit for a tool that has grown far beyond its ERP roots.
every year it grows bigger and bigger, and you see more faces that are so happy to see the new version, to see their partners, to see their clients. The strength of the community is insanely big.
Unlike traditional ERP systems, Odoo offered modular apps that could be added and removed based on the unique needs of each business. This made it one of the most versatile and user-friendly platforms on the market.
But what I wanted to do is build the software.
Today, Odoo is used by over 7 million users across 175 countries, from small startups to Fortune 500 companies. Its open source foundation has allowed a vibrant community to flourish, creating thousands of apps and customizations to meet the demands of diverse industries.
What I love about Odoo is its versatility. It's not just a software, rather it's a toolkit that empowers the business and truly transforms. So we know that every business is unique. That's where we consultant comes in. We analyze the bottlenecks, analyze the specific needs of the business, and we customize Odoo according to their needs. From that, we can say that Odoo is truly transforming the business and improving the efficiency and workflow of the business. So from my experience, I can say that Odoo can handle every aspect of a business.
It's one of the risks of open source. Another one is that winners takes all market. If you are not the number one, you are nothing.
With innovations like artificial intelligence, improved user interface, and seamless integrations, Odoo continues to push boundaries, ensuring it remains a leader in the ERP market. Odoo's journey from tiny ERP to a global enterprise powerhouse is a testament to the power of vision, community, and innovation. As business continue to evolve, so does Odoo, staying true to its mission of making software accessible, intuitive, and impactful. Whether you're a startup dreaming big or an enterprise scaling higher, Odoo is more than a tool. It's a partner in growth.